Hey guys and girls, welcome to the lesson number 2 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series by ifitner.com. In these lessons, we are learning to speak in Hindi and Urdu through English. Lesson number 2 is about grocery shopping. Grocery shopping is called kharid दारी in Hindi and Urdu. खरीदारी 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 grocery shopping खरीदारी. So let's begin lesson number 2. Grocery shopping खरीदारी. Kharid means to buy and kharidari means shopping, journal shopping. Kharidari. How much does this cost? Ye kitne. It's not kitne, it's kitne ka hai. Ye kitne ka hai. Ye kitne ka hai. Ye kitne ka hai. ये कितने का है? How much does this cost? Is it fresh? क्या ये ताज़ा है? 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 Is it fresh? क्या ये ताज़ा है? It is too expensive. It's too expensive. ये बहुत महंगा है. महंगा 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 महंगा. ये बहुत महंगा है. 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 It is too expensive. ये बहुत महंगा है. It is stale. ये बासी है. बासी बासी. ये बासी है. ये बासी है. ये बासी है. It is stale. It's stale. ये बासी है. This is very cheap. ये बहुत very means बहुत. सस्ता cheap है is. ये बहुत सस्ता है. 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 It's not बहुत बहुत. It's बहुत त. बहुत सस्ता है. सस्ता ता. Not ta. We do not usually say ta. It's ta. सस्ता है. ये बहुत सस्ता है. This is very cheap. So guys and girls, now let's begin our practice. I will speak in English and you will be translating it in Hindi and Urdu. Grocery shopping. खरीदारी खरीदारी. Right? How much does this cost? कितने? Right. ये कितने का है? ये कितने का है? Is it fresh? Very good. क्या ये ताज़ा है? क्या ये ताज़ा है? It is too expensive. Not बहुत, it's बहुत बहुत. Very good. ये बहुत महंगा है. महंगा महंगा. महंगा महंगा, ये बहुत महंगा है। It is stale. Excellent, ये बासी है। This is very cheap. सस्ता, it's not sasta, it's सस्ता। Very good, ये बहुत सस्ता है। Not बहुत, it's बहुत। त सस्ता, त सस्ता है, ये बहुत सस्ता है। So thank you very much guys and girls for joining us for lesson number 2 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English by ifectioner.com. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.